Kapal Bhati. Kapal means skull, Bhati means the shine. So this brings shine to your skull, whether it is your hair, your brain, your eyes, your skin, your ears, your throat. So it is a practice which is good in each and every ailment. So how do you practice Kapal Bhati? For Kapal Bhati, you keep your hands in Jnana Mudra, sit in Jnana Mudra, and we have to do forceful exhalation. With every exhalation, there will be a contraction of stomach and you have to focus on that contraction. So you can't hear your inhaling sound, you can only hear your exhalation sound. So every breath, my stomach is contracting. You can increase the speed with regular practice. Complete exhalation in 20th breath and then normal breathing. One round of Kapal Bhati is of 20 exhalations and you can practice for around 10 rounds, maybe sometimes 20 rounds, and you can practice it regularly. Kapal Bhati pranayam along with bandhas. Bandh means different locks of your body. So when you practice Kapal Bhati along with bandhas, there are so many benefits, but make sure patients of heart ailments and asthmatic patients should not practice it. Sit in cross-legged position with your hands in Jnana Mudra, and with each exhalation, feel the contraction of your stomach. 20th exhalation should be deep, and after 20th exhalation, hold your breath out, contract your anus, contract your abdomen, and perform a chin lock as well. Complete exhalation, hold your breath out, contract your anus, contract your abdomen, and then the chin lock. When you cannot hold your breath out for a longer time, open your chin lock, remove your abdominal lock, and remove your anus lock, and then have normal breathing. This is one round of Kapal Bhati pranayam along with bandhas. You can practice it for 4 to 5 rounds and not more than that.
I hope you found this video helpful. I will be uploading a new video every Sunday. Subscribe to this channel and stay connected to us. You can also like, comment, share, and send your feedback. You can also join us at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.